What's up, everybody? The sun is going to set in 2 hours, so I don't got that much time to fish. Today, I'm going to use a high-low rig. I got 2 of my surf rods today. For the bait, I went to my local grocery store and just got some fish that they filleted and packaged. Bait and tackle shops are kind of few and far between within New York City, so when you're down on time, the best thing you could really do is just go to your nearest grocery store and get whatever you could find. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself set up. Today is Sunday. There are a few people within like a few yards from me. It's understandable because New York is a very dense place and people come out here to enjoy the weather, especially on a Sunday. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with right now. So I got myself all set up and now I'm going to do my first cast. So let me show you guys. So this is what I'm working with. This is my surf rod, 13 foot. Stuck into the ground to hold my fishing boat. This is a regular high-low rig as usual. I got a 3-ounce sinker, pyramid sinker on the bottom, and this is kingfish that I got from the grocery store. So yeah, this is the closest thing I can get to bunker. I'm kind of having my doubts because when you get bunker, you get like all the blood and all the juices from the bait, but this they already prepped and clean, so I don't know if all the scent is still on this, but it is what it is. So yeah, I got 20-pound braid as my main line. I got it connected to a swivel. Not sure if you guys can see. And I got 40-pound fluorocarbon. This is not my best high-low rig, but I don't have time to keep on doing over and over. It's not that great. And this loop over here is a little bit too long, but it can't always be perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna cast and hopefully the fish are out because today is a very nice day. So that was the first cast of the day. I reeled in the slack so that I know that my bait is off the floor in the water. And honestly, I don't even know where that landed. It's too sunny right now and the sun is blinding me. I didn't bring out my sunglasses. Hopefully the bait didn't come off when I casted it. But yeah, I'm not going to be impatient today. I'm just going to let this sit over here until the sun goes down, until the sun sets. And I got the same fishing rod over here, and what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna fish with this one, and while this one is in the water, I'm just gonna keep on practicing with my casts, because I still don't feel comfortable casting with this fishing rod. This is the same spot I was at in the previous video, and as you can see, there's not a lot of dry area over here because I think right now it's high tide. I'm not sure if it's incoming or outgoing, but yeah, we're gonna make the most of it. Right now is, let me see, now is currently 5:54. The sun sets at 7:40. Alright, so I'm keep you guys posted. There's people on their boats over here. It's a nice day. See the guy over there. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Alright guys, I want to show you something pretty cool. So as I was just standing on these rocks over here, I noticed some bubbles coming out from the water over here, and I didn't think much of it, but you know, I was still curious, so I went to go check. And right here in the water is a horseshoe crab. There are a lot of horseshoe crabs in this area, but I never really seen one, an alive one. Like it's shell all over the place, but this one is actually alive. I don't know if you guys can see. Right here is his tail, and that right there is the body. It's moving. Pretty cool. Wow. I think maybe that's another horseshoe crab, or that's a rock. I'm not sure. It's pretty dark right now. I think those are two horseshoe crabs. Maybe they're mating, but they're moving together. That's the thing about coming out in nature sometimes, like you never know what you might find. And now that spring is here, I've noticed like different species of birds around over here, which you don't normally get to see. Pretty cool, if you ask me. I'm kind of glad that there's people fishing a few yards down from me, because kind of gets creepy over here at night. But I'm not too far in though. No bites yet. No bites yet. Alright everybody, I'm gonna call it a day. Had a nice time fishing, even though I didn't catch anything. Well, you know, 2 hours of fishing always beats working, so I'm glad I came out. It's going to get really dark soon, pitch black in a few minutes, so I'm gonna start heading out. Until next time, see you guys in the next video.